Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to connect this BMP 280 sensor which is from Bosch, and we will learn how to connect this sensor with the Raspberry Pi Pico, and we will interface it with the I2C communication protocol, and we will measure the pressure values, temperature values and the altitude by using this sensor module. So here you can see it has different pins. So first let me tell you about the connections. So you will connect the VCC pin to 3.3 volt, and you will connect the ground pin to the ground of Raspberry Pi Pico, and SCL of the sensor module will be connected to SCL of the Raspberry Pi Pico, that is GPIO number 1, and SDA of the Raspberry Pi Pico will be connected to the SDA of the sensor module, and this pin SDO will be left unconnected, and please make sure that this CSB pin is connected to the 3.3 volt. This CSB pin has to be connected to the 3.3 volt if we want to have I2C communication, and the CSB pin has to be connected to 0 volts if we want to have SPI communication. So this is the circuit diagram. So this is the MicroPython script, and we are using the BMP280 library. I will give the link in the description. First thing is you have to go to view and open files, and in the Raspberry Pi Pico's file system you have to save this library bmp280.py. And now I will run the MicroPython script. So it is scanning, and as you can see it is giving the data. So current temperature is 34.49 degrees Celsius. The pressure is coming out to be 98,606 pascals. You convert it into hectopascal and you will get value 986 hectopascal, and the corresponding altitude is coming to be 245 meters above sea level. So I have implemented two different methods of calculating the altitude. First is the hypsometric formula and second is the international barometric formula. So by using both the equations we are getting little bit variation in the altitude. So this is the implementation of the code, and from this code you can easily get temperature, pressure and altitude values by using this BMP280 sensor module. So let me stop the code and let us now have a look at the MicroPython script. So first of all, this library is written by David and we give him the credit for his work, and this library is pretty much accurate when it comes to hobby projects. So first we will import the required libraries. So from BMP280 you will import everything. From machine you will import pin and I2C, and you import microtime, and then this is the variable error. To declare pins for I2C communication, this is serial clock pin, this is serial data pin. Then initiate the I2C object by using this constructor. Scan the I2C port, and now create a BMP280 object by using this BMP280 constructor. It will take the object, I2C object, it will take the device ID, and you have to give this particular use case. So I am giving BMP280 case underscore weather. This will come from API, the library which David has written, this library. So this library has all the different power modes, standby settings, IIR filter, oversampling settings, and use cases. So you have to use according to your situation. Here I have used these kind of initializations because these configurations of the sensor are giving me the most accurate readings in my case, and you have to tweak them according to your own requirements. So we will use these settings on the BMP280 object. These settings, we will set the power mode to normal power, oversample to OS high, temperature to this setting BMP280, temperature OS 8. Everything is present in the library, and these are the configuration settings. We will use IIR filter too. You can change it according to your need. And then these are the two functions for calculating altitude from pressure and temperature values. Because this altitude function is not present in the library, so I have to write it explicitly. So this first function is altitude underscore HYP. It is hypsometric equation, and it will take two parameters. First is the pressure in hectopascal, second is the temperature in kelvins, and it will calculate altitude from pressure and temperatures. So this is the hypsometric formula. So we have implemented this formula in MicroPython, and here as you can see, H is this pressure ratio, this is the exponent that is raised to the power operator, and we have implemented this hypsometric equation. So what this function is doing is, it will take two parameters. First is the pressure and second is the temperature, and it will calculate the altitude and return this value. The second method of calculating the altitude is by using the International Barometric Formula, and it is given in the BMP 180 datasheet. This is the formula. This is the International Barometric Formula that is given in the BMP 180 datasheet, and we are implementing this formula in the second function. So the name of this function is altitude underscore IBF. IBF stands for International Barometric Formula, and it is taking only one parameter, that is pressure in hectopascals, and then this is the formula, and this will calculate the altitude and it will return the altitude. So now we will make a loop while true. First is you have to acquire the temperature in degrees Celsius. So you will use this BMP280 underscore object dot temperature to get the value of temperature in degrees Celsius. Now you have to convert that into kelvins, so you add 273.15 and make a new variable temperature underscore K. K stands for Kelvin. And now you have to acquire the pressure by using dot pressure on BMP280 object. Now you have to convert that pressure in Pascal unit to hectopascal. So we know 1 hectopascal is equal to 100 pascals. So this is the implementation of the conversion of pressure from Pascal to the unit of hectopascal. And then you add this error. This is the steady state error, and we have defined it in the initial part of the program. This error, it is now 0, but if I put it -3, so I will get most accurate results. Now 172. As soon as I put the error equals to -3 hectopascal, I am getting reading very close to the accurate reading which I have found from most of the weather monitoring sites. They are showing that my current altitude is 271 meters above sea level. So this error variable will be used for the calibration of sensor. Here this will be used for the calibration of pressure, and it will be helped in getting the correct altitude from pressure and temperature values. And now you have to acquire altitude values from the hypsometric formula. So you will call this function and give it two parameters. First is the pressure in hectopascal and second is the temperature in Kelvin. So it will return the altitude h, and now you have to again acquire the altitude values from International Barometric Formula. So you will call this function with a single parameter, that is pressure in hectopascals, and whatever the value it returns will be stored in this altitude variable. So now these are normal printing statement. You are printing the temperature in degree Celsius, printing the pressure, and you are printing the pressure in hectopascal. Here it is pressure in pascals, and now you are printing the altitudes by this hypsometric formula and the International Barometric Formula. And you can also use these methods, you can uncomment these to load the test calibration data and give some time delay. And this is the total implementation of the code, and I will upload everything in the description down below. And so this is the end of the video, and thank you very much for watching.